Cyber attacks exploiting software vulnerabilities are on the rise. To enhance cybersecurity, conduct security vulnerability checks early in the development process to foster a DevSecOps mindset. Sparrow Cloud identifies and eliminates hidden application vulnerabilities, ensuring protection against security threats. Reduce infrastructure investment and management costs and enhance software security with Sparrow Cloud. With years of dedication and deliberation, Sparrow has developed a comprehensive solution for application security. Applications exist in various forms throughout the software development lifecycle, necessitating multifaceted management. Sparrow Cloud provides comprehensive security vulnerability management by analyzing everything from source code to in-use libraries and third-party software. Leveraging Sparrow's advanced analysis techniques, hidden application vulnerabilities are identified, and results are presented in a dashboard, enabling efficient step-by-step management on a single platform. Sparrow provides precise remediation instructions, allowing developers to focus solely on development. Utilize analysis results in a documented format through comprehensive diagnostic reports. Conduct security vulnerability testing easily and cost-effectively without installation. Experience Sparrow Cloud today by visiting our website.